a new pen, rewriting the story. Hello to my old ways, goodbye to the nosebleeds. You fighting to stay here, you probably OD. Ain't finna pop for no reason. I don't throw shots, I run legions. I've been going over the top with no queen, been down with no regrets. This is my season, it's the bow trigger. Gift that keep giving, nothing to wrap up. I ripped a new ribbon, they wanted to catch up. Wanted my good riddance, you saw me a rock bottom. You wanted a new winner, I paved the way for 'em. Take the pain, double it, put it in way form. Safe to say, trouble ain't what you was made for. Keeping a ring on, I told them all game on the minute I came on.
Yeah, baby. How you guys feeling? It is early Fake Fridays. We're going to be starting very, very shortly, guys. Chad, baby, we are ready to go. I hope you guys are locked and loaded and ready for this one. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be quick. As you guys can see, I'm a one-man army here today, but I know you guys have got my back, and we are just starting up here, Chad, so don't go anywhere. It is going to be fun. It's going to be good. I'm not sure if my brother Bonang is joining. I tried to give him a call, but unfortunately couldn't get through to him. But we're going to see what's happening. As you guys know, Cribbo is out and about. That man's on side quest at the moment. He's just he's been killing it, Chad. So he's just on side quest. He's doing his own things right now. Who knows? You might wake up. You might be on a beach somewhere in the Maldives tomorrow. That's just life at this time, eh? It hates to be good, Chad, but it's gonna be good and quick. But Chad, let's get right into it. So as always, we're gonna open up with a prayer. Sorry, Chad, my head is going 100 miles per hour right now. I think that's the quickest we've ever started a stream up. But before we get into any of the good stuff, as always, we're gonna open up with a prayer. And we're going to do a very simple one. It's been a while since we've done that, and for those that are new, for those that are our Christian brothers and sisters, if you guys know this one, you can follow along. It is our Father's prayer. Alright. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who have trespassed against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. We pray this in your mighty name. Amen. Chad, if you guys are in agreement, you can drop an amen there. Then we know he is present and here with us. Chad, let's get the show on the road. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get right into it. Starting us off, as always, with the fundamental chat. Now you guys are going to see two little things. Unemployment claims. We finally have some news coming out here at 227. So a little bit of a drop. 232 expected at 236. Actually dropped to 237. I don't think it's going to be anything too crazy, Chad. But we hopefully might see it as just some type of news, and it can get the ball rolling here for us. 7:15 tonight. FMC member Wallace speaks. Again, nothing too crazy he'll talk about for us. But hey, we got something on the board, so let's see what happens. Going over to the charts now, where things are getting interesting. Let's start off with the dollar. Now, you guys remember I spoke to you about this. Two very simple options today. We either stayed bearish underneath the daily support. Otherwise, this thing was going to go for that gap. And going for that gap, we are going for the monthly pivot. Now, keep in mind, this lines up nicely with that bearish move, or not bearish move, more hawkish move for the dollar, with that number on unemployment coming down lower there. Again, not too crazy, but hey, I think at this point the dollar's going to take anything it can get. So we can see that move, traded bullish quite nicely, going off to it, getting above that weekly pivot, the key level, trading bullish, above the daily pivot, the EQ now trading nicely from there. So hold that EQ. We're going to see this thing continue that momentum there. And again, that's all we want to monitor here, Chad. So just keep an eye on that monthly pivot. That has been the wall for the dollar this week. So all you want to see, do we reject again here? or is today the day we can hold support and continue to the top side? We're going to monitor that one very shortly. Going over to NASDAQ. Again, we spoke about this NASDAQ all-time highs. Again, simple play, Chad. Very simple. Either going to be bullish or we were going to be bearish. The idea of coming back to take out these highs, we could see we basically set for ourselves, especially on that pullback. Now, we wanted to see it hold there. We obviously broke doji candle. We've always spoken about this higher time frame and doji on the indices, more likely a fake out than a continuation. More likely to be a continuation than a fake out with other pairs. Kiesman Cracker more live Khoi. Hey, we're gonna see, Chad. We're gonna see. But we're going to see what's happening here. Trading quite nicely to the top side. Looking quite good. I will say, if we can approach these all-time highs, previous weekly high, things are going to look quite nice. And we're going to see that volume continue over there. So on the 15, we're going to see there's your sweep of the lows. We spoke about the grabber kick play today. Unfortunately, you're not getting the exact grabber kick with, for example, that E coming in play. But the idea of an Asia low, a retest, a sweep of the low. Once you trade it back inside, get above a daily pivot, there was your move. Asia highs was the target as that was untested. So very, very nice move there. And you'll just like to see that continue. Going over to US 30, we can see again, Chad, nice pullback here. Now, I'm actually still going to be a little bit bearish, funny enough, on US 30, and that's purely just because of how it's sitting at the moment, Chad. Obviously, the daily, that for me was our pullback. On the 4 hour, we can also see, yeah, it's starting to hold a little bit of momentum there at that EQ. So we are battling to go lower, but unless very, very simple stuff here. What I'm going to want to see today is, again, if you see Asia highs, Asia lows. Sorry, Chad, we are speed running this thing here. Sweep of the lows, back above, daily pivot EQ. Weekly pivot coming into play, back to retest that EQ. Asia highs is still untested. So we're going to see there. If we get above here, it's going to be an idea of yesterday. This thing needs to play some catch up and really put the pressure on. Otherwise, if we continue to hold underneath this weekly pivot and we actually break lower and go for those lows, that's how I'm going to look for the idea of the continuation bearish move, alright. But I do think USD is a bit more messy, but we're going to see what we can get there. Then lastly, guys, gold. Again, gold being the naughty child for everyone lately. We can see again the pullback coming into place on that 4 hour. The same idea, trading bullish, holding the weekly pivot back above Asia highs. Had the closure above Asia highs. Now we're having that retest. Can is hold on the retest. The 1 hour, you can see already failed, and more the wick starting to come into play. And very, very interesting, Chad. If we get the idea that we see in this thing continue, the indices go bullish. Obviously, we don't want those shorts on gold. That's just our normal confluencies, the correlation we have between the two. And again, the same thing, very simple. Yeah, I'm gonna go long on gold if we get above these highs. Why? Because you got 1 break, 2 break, 3 break, 4 breaks above, and we can never find support. If we can get above, hold support, that's what I'm gonna want to look to go long. Until that point, the sells are gonna be on for the idea. Asia lows untested, and the continuation move back to the downside again, all the way back to probably that 3300 psychological number. All right, Chad, we have basically a few seconds left to go for market open. I see the guys are quite locked in here for the cracker. Unfortunately, Chad, I'm not going to be able to get this around. Yeah, I'm going to have to see quickly what we can do here. Do we do the cracker live today? Let's have a look here, Chad. But that is it. Markets open. Round 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight.
Let's see. Let's see. All right. I need a very, very quick analysis here on the crack if I'm going to get in on this trade. Let's have a look here. Oh, Chad, I don't think the guys are going to like this. It's going to get quite messy. Do we do it, Chad? Do we do it? Are you guys ready for it? I hope you're ready, Chad. You guys want to see the cracker live? How many likes are we saying? 122. To you guys. Ooh. Cracker wants to cook something up here today, Chad. So Cracker wants to buy US30. Okay. The guys think they're onto it. Okay. Let's see here, Chad. We're gonna get aggressive here with the Cracker. I hope you guys are ready. Let's wait for it. Gotta wait for it, Chad. Gotta wait for it. Things can get fast and furious, yeah. Come on. Nothing yet, Chad. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. I know what I want to do, Chad. We just gotta be patient, yeah. Just gotta be patient. Come on. Chad, all go decided for the Cracker, locked in. Just waiting here, Chad. No entry for me yet. Things are setting up nicely for what I want to see, but she needs to play ball here. Come on. Come on. She's warming up, yeah. I like these bigger cameras. I'm just waiting to see for BE or not. Hey. Come on. All right. Come on. That's it. Okay, Chad, for my rules, for what I'm doing here, I am in shorts. All right. I'm in shorts at the moment. We're going to see what happens here. We are in shorts. Come on. Play ball here for us. I'm still long, Chad. Ooh. Time is over for us. Oh, damn. As I said, Chad, people think they figure the Cracker out. And then you just got to keep them guessing. Just got to keep them guessing, Chad. Could get chowed, yeah. Keys, watch for the stop profit, take long. I am long buys USD. Nice. As I say, guys, I live a life on the edge. Please, Chad, remember this is my trade. Please do not do what I do. You will lose money. Sometimes I'm just a retard, so don't copy what I do. Keys, I don't know this version. We need to chat tomorrow. Let's see what happens here. Price looking quite saucy here. We're just going to monitor this, Chad. We're going to see what happens here first. I pray for my own account that Keys is wrong. Remember, Chad, I'm not the world's greatest trader. I'm wrong. I take losses. It's all that. It's part of the game. I can be wrong here, Chad. You guys can win here, and I'm gonna get smacked in my teeth. But we're gonna see. It's the zero drawdown version 32. Chad, for my sake, the only thing I hope I'm hoping I'm not wrong is because I know if I am, it's going to be 0.2 seconds till Plumeta's on here ripping into me. Yesterday was Crackerverse Bonang. Today's Crackerverse Chris. Crazy week. No, it is, Chad. It is. Whew. The sniper cracker. This is the most intense. NFP wasn't this intense. Nah, Chad. Nah, Keek, she's at work. You're safe. She's coming for Chris tomorrow. Hey, you cracker, you sniping. Hey. Okay, there we go, Chad. What is that now? Once we hit, I've hit 40. Chad, break even. That is just the rules. Unfortunately, that's the name of the game. That's how we play it. We are break even on this trade. W Cracker Keegs, yo, yo, yo. I have been feeding the Chad. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go, baby. Come on. There we go, Chad. Well done, baby. We were late, but that doesn't matter. We came, we conquered. Chad, you guys are just eating here with the cracker. I mean, Chad, you guys are today on stream, Fast and Furious. The cracker came, dominated again, live with all the guys, all the W's. All the boys eating. This team is just Chad. We don't have boys. We have a great week. We've been blessed. 300 members all on stream eating. Absolutely blessed, Chad. Great stuff there, Chad. Hope you guys caught that one with us. We locked in the full 60 there. Reason we lock it in, and I'm not going to try to push it, is because that EQ was right underneath us. That is a big reason why. So this was actually quite nice that our TP would be just before the EQ, as we know we could expect a test there. But nicely done there, Chad. Sniper entry, barely a bit of drawdown right there. Keys never miss. Brilliant, Keys, amazing. Appreciate it, guys. As you said, Chad, sometimes I'm a retard. Unfortunately, for the haters, that wasn't today. The strategy does still work. Already, I can see there the pippers and dippers starting to disappear. But we eating again today, Chad. It was a great trade. But plus 400 Keys, you are a wizard. The Cedar Browns also eating with their paid signal groups. Is Chris okay? He's quiet. Chad, and there we go. Great time with our closure today. We left a little bit on the table yesterday. Today we made up for it. Want to trade the cracker every single day. Drone Project G. Dubs all round. Easy as they come, Chad. Anyone check on Chris? Is he okay? Keeks, sell us on Project G. Hey. Thanks, Keeks. You are good, G. Well done, Keeks. Brilliant stuff. But honestly, now's your chance. Chris, did you double park and take the short-term sale? David Trakey. Okay, join Project G. Why don't you got in stream late is a bit... Got in late stream is a bit... Oh shit. Sorry about that, guys. Always a W. There we go. You actually still would have got a better entry. Yes, it did sell off immediate, but then you did pull back for a bit of a retest. He's an investor. One word, phenomenal. Hey, Donnie, you too calm, my brother. Plumena, sheesh. Is Plumena, yeah. Hey, there's Plumena. Well done, Keeks. Hey, thank you. We aim to please. We'll chat tomorrow, Chris. I joined you, but I got out early. Chris, yes, and I was a chance to bump to the mean. T-Train Keys, when should I expect the call? Worried I miss it if I'm working. Oh, we do apologize, my brother. It's been crazy. You did pop me an Instagram message. Pop me, because I do have your details. Pop me an Instagram message just along tomorrow. What is a good time for you tomorrow? Okay. Just let me know. Just pop me a message saying that. And let's get on a call tomorrow, my brother. I do apologize. It is our side. We've been so busy. So I do apologize again. It is our fault. But as I said, just give me a heads up then that we can maybe try work around your work time. It'll be a quick call. But yeah, let us know what time tomorrow works for you, okay? Hello, Keys, thank you. Keys, I'm cancelling my Prodigy subscription, lol. Nah, Rian, it's coming back to Prodigy, don't you worry. It's just these last 2 days. We thought yesterday we'd treat the guys, and then today it would have been a bit unfair if I wouldn't even have time to send to the Prodigy guys. So hopefully they were at least on stream to catch it. Keys, that was dope. Hey, appreciate it. Crystal Holding. It was a great closure today, yeah, guys. Great closure today. I've signed for Prodigy this morning, still waiting for the email to confirm. Ricardo, apologies, my brother. I don't know if you were on stream this morning. We actually had an issue with our support team. They were able to receive emails, but emails couldn't go out. If I'm correct, it is working out, is fixed, so they will be on it. So just check your emails. They will be sorting you out. So we do apologize for the delay, but we did just have some technical difficulties this morning. Yeah, no rush, brother. I'm always nice, Chris. Rian Prodigy. Hey, Lyndon. No problem, guys. Support has some difficulties this morning. Yeah, but we're back on it, Chad. At least we learned from yesterday, Chad. Just say we left some items on the table today. We made sure we got that right there. Snap the entry, snap the TP. Keys on my stomach is still empty. Let's feast on another one. A little top up to the meal. Hey, Andre. We're going to catch it down and catch it all the way up. We're going to pull one of those. Can see why this is a mechanical strat. Goes against all the other rules. Lol. Well done, Geeks. Yeah, Kyle, that's what I said. And you know what, it's very funny. It was the first strat I ever made for myself that was mechanical. And it's been one of my most profitable strats. Like, by miles. So it's very, very crazy. But, won't complain about it. Of course, we need dessert after eating. Gold dumping, I'm in shorts from the top. Ooh, okay, Chad. We've been locked in here, so I haven't actually been looking at the other markets. We're going our trade, yeah, we did that. Let's have a look here. Let's see what gold's at. Oof. Off of those Asia highs. I said to you guys, the idea would be if we were quite bullish on the indices, gold, we are going to be bearish. I'm not in this trade, guys. Please, yes, that was the call, but I'm not in this trade. I was focused on US30. But beautiful multi move there for those Asia lows, as we said, that remain untested. Now we can close the stream and come back tomorrow. TP was hit. A beautiful stuff there, Viking. I know you wanted the Mars and US30 there, my brother. As I said, we'll remind the guys, when they think they know the cracker, they don't know the cracker. But at least you got a TP there, so well done, my brother. Like, imagine how it would have messed with your head in the beginning to take the trade. Bro, trust me, it did. Especially when, like, we know, I don't want to say natural, but what is natural for us, because that's what's been, like, there's certain structures in trading that have been bred into us, like, from day one. And, like, there's a lot of times the cracker goes against that. And it was very weird, bro. It definitely was something to get used to. 4%, that's me. One phase challenge done. Thank you, Chris Keys and Prophet Bonang. Hey, Griffin, awesome stuff, my brother. Keep killing it. I'm going to go long from 33.09 to 33.13. 33.09 to 33.13. 33.09, I do think it's a nice level. You can see, obviously, resistance, support. But just the fact that daily pivot, and just for me personally, my brother, if you get that far down, there's a good chance you're going for that psychological, the 33 round number. If that holds, I definitely think the longs are on as well. But that's my opinion just on that, brother. Your keys, the cracker is crazy. I hope those wish people would join the Prodigy. So I know, brother, you've been one of the guys who joined and literally only trade the cracker. And I think if I'm correct, even since you've joined, and I mean, you've been on for either less than a month now or just over a month maybe. And I think the crackers, Chad, please, it's not a promo thing now, but being genuine, I think the crackers taken 2 losses, maybe 3 in a month. And Chad, is not always like that. I'll even tell you, it's not always like that. Just a month, so yeah. It's not always like that. It just is. The cracker's been on a very good streak at the moment. But it's not always like that. I'm not going to be that guy that's, Chad, 90% win streak on this strategy. It does take losses. It's just a period it's in at the moment. Keys, how do we join Prodigy? There's the link, my brother. Level up your trading with Prodigy. Sign up link. There you go. Join this month. Haven't lost with the G's. Hey, Samuel. Awesome to hear, my brother. Sorry, Keys, was literally eating. Watching you smack that cracker was gold. A shot, my brother. We're going through all the tunes yet today, Chad. We're vibing out here. We don't need no moderation yet today, Chad. The cracker is paying for this one. Chris is eating. He needs to get up because Naz is dumping. all I can say is that geez, knowledge is life changing. Hey, Lyndon, really appreciate you, my brother. But who am I to give this guy with a bridge a tip? Keeks, does the cracker work on other pairs too? No, my brother. It is built purely for indices and insane indices, purely USD as well. I've never really looked into NAS. Maybe it does, but for myself, I've built it for USD and it's purely only worked on US. I've traded USD with it. Up almost 7% today. Hey, Chad, you guys are smacking the markets. Keeks, do you only give the cracker signal, or do you give it to those who subscribe? Viking, no, I only give the signal. We don't teach the cracker to anyone. The only person on this planet who knows the cracker is Chris. But you always come and be like, Keith, I don't know this. What you talking about? But he is the only person and that's because that's my brother, Chad. I trust that man with anything. Opened a trade past 2 this morning and went to sleep. Thought my trade had stopped loss. Saw 200 plus US. Hey! Nathaniel, no, don't sell the cracker. The cracker is that's a secret.
Yeah, I heard we're learning the cracker today. What's going on?
Had a proper humble sandwich on Monday, but now we are back. There we go, Chad. That's it. Don't let one day determine your trading.
Chad, I'm in the office with this man 5 days a week. You think he'll tell me how the cracker works? Nope.
He's trading. You're 6'1". If you take a pic, we would know how small it is. Lol. Yeah, Chad, get him to take a picture on it. Then.
I was out of office. Did the cracker hit TP today?
It smashed it, bro. Snapped entry, snapped TP.
Oh shit!
Check out this thing, bro.
Ah shit! Your boy missed out.
Just snapped it.
My boy owes me a favor. Oh,
Snapped
look at
it.
that. Oh, look at that. Mwah. Beautiful. Oh, off the EQ too. Oh, EQ play would have been sweet.
Yeah. Well, that's what I said. I loved where the TP was because it was just before the EQ, so you know the EQ is going to come into play and they can bounce off the EQ.
Hey. Counter trend play too. Nice.
Let's see.
Nice.
Hey, 80 bribes for the source.
Where's the discount code? Code twice. Buy one, get one free.
Yeah, if
Upon
you were
passing
here
the first one.
They would have gotten a 1% source, not the cracker. Ooh. Yeah, that is true, Chad. If you guys were here, there was a little bit of a 1% source. As an engineer, you should know a bridge is a bridge, Chris. Birdie said the bridge will get a Rolex clock. Whew. The cracker remains a secret. Big Ed in the building. Give us a hint of the cracker key. Who's still holding with me? Chad, if you ate with the cracker and the rest of you are still holding with Chris, you are in these USD longs.
Oh yeah, still holding.
You guys are eating. We said you're going to catch those pullbacks and you're going to catch that continuation.
I'm a little disappointed I didn't get in on my second position. I think I'm gonna close that limit. But that first position is deep in the profits.
From 100 Rand, guys, made about 800 plus.
Hey.
Did not get into much today, but took the cracker at least, testing it. Lol.
Well done, man. You made money. That is better than 95% of the people who trade today.
Please tell me Ed, you didn't close.
It's still running. Don't worry.
Keys, how long did it take you to develop the cracker? Because I'm going on 9 days fine-tuning my indicator. Tariq, I started the cracker, I think maybe beginning of last year?
Yes.
Beginning of last year. I got smacked. I think we went through version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. We were at version 5, and then just after version 5, there were some few more tweaks to get it to where it is now. So I'm gonna say it's been it's bro, almost 2 years of the cracker.
I can't remember. There was something I said that sparked an idea for you, and then you came up. I think that's what came up with either the latest version of the cracker or the one just before it.
Yeah.
And I was like, and I don't even remember what I said. I don't even remember what I said. I'm like, oh, I'm missing out here.
Keys, Hannah, that was that question. Thanks, Chris, Keys, and Bonang. Beautiful stuff, my brother. Smooth. Enjoy yourself. Ed, if you're ready in phase 2, do you get twice promo also?
No, you gotta be a fresh account, my guy. Meet me halfway here, Chad. We're a business at the end of the day. Come on.
Thanks, Keys.
You want to get paid out, don't you?
Are you spot EQ or that's your own indicator? Nathaniel, I'm going to show you a little trick now, my brother. It is our own indicator. It's built into our indicator. So 2G's trading, it's the 2G's indicator. But I will also show you how to market out yourself. So first thing you can do is you can go search indicators. So the daily range by Hortensia. So you can search that. Otherwise, your best thing, very, very simple. The EQ is simply the equilibrium. What does that mean? 50% of the previous daily range. So let's take US30 over here. If I take this, and we literally take from the top there, you go to the bottom. You can see there's obviously a little line over there. We're just going to take this just for purpose here. You can draw your line. If I go to the 5 now or whatever,
Equilibrium.
Alright. So if you don't want to have an indicator, if you maybe have a free version, you're using 2 other indicators, that's how you just mark it out yourself as well, brother. Oh damn, she remembered. Thank you. And I'll give you the lowdown on the crypto pump group for an account. Hey.
I'll give you the lowdown on the crypto pump group for an account. You need to show me some. You need to show me some screenshots. Is the crypto pump group worth an account? Let me see what it does.
Cameron, of course you have to, my brother. When you get to certain levels, you got to do that. Hey, better close before your best friend even comes back. Hey guys, that was that question. Hey. Why is my EQ different? Also using your indicator. Ernst, if you use an indicator, it depends on which pair. So for example, FP markets. Remember, your feeds will be different. So if the feeds are different, the candles are different, meaning your EQs will be different. So if you're on FP markets, your EQ will be there.
That always irritated the crap out of me.
Keep in mind, it's adapting to the feed it's on. Hence why gold, I don't know, we need to correct it. So gold gives me the EQ, yeah. But this isn't actually the EQ. We need to correct it. So if I show you now, it's built for ANDA. If I go to ANDA, we haven't even actually touched the EQ yet.
That irritates the shit out of me.
So that's something I picked up on gold. I had to take note of myself. But USD is correct.
That is irritating as shit.
Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to join Prodigy. I'm getting a 501 error. Okay, interesting. My brother, do me a favor. Message support. They can assist you manually if they need to, alright? But we'll try to sort that out. I'll get the support and tech to have a look at what's going on there.
Wait, $100 to $1,500 in 3 trades. And you're hounding me for a discount. That's a little, I don't know, it's a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Not hubris. What's the word I'm looking for? You get what I'm trying to say.
We're still holding gold and US30, Chad. Ryan, that's why we had to put a ring on it, brother.
But Jared, tell me more. Tell me more. I'm interested.
Keys, remember when we used to do the ring emojis? Yo, Chad, you guys were hard on my ass.
Yeah, they were actually.
Yeah.
Oh, now tell me. Actually, when everyone was hounding you about it, did you already know you were going to do it and when you were going to do it?
Yeah, there was a point. So I knew when I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
So that already was in my mind. But then only later got to a point where they still carried on. So Chad, there was a thing a lot of people don't understand. Like, we have very busy lives. I mean, we always talk about that. I had that ring for almost 5 months before I did it.
Yeah.
And Chad, that's not obviously because I'm like you planned, but it's purely because of my lifestyle. I wasn't gonna. I mean, the chick waited long enough, so I wanted to give her the best engagement I can. Make it as special as possible. So yeah, I had to wait a little bit, find the time where our schedules both open up, because that's just the joys of it. You want to hustle, but then you've got two people who both their schedules are hectic. I need to find a time where both their schedules are free.
Now it's Ed's turn.
There we go. There you go, Chad. Put the pressure on Ed.
Hey, Ed's gotta find a girlfriend first. Oh, fuck, that's funny. Chad, don't say such things. So topics.
One day I'll be there. Now it's Ed's turn. Hey, the Chad planted the seed. Guess who planted the seed in the Chad's minds? Hey, Ryan, we know. You had to keep you honest, Keegs. Engagement planning is rough as the chick's don't even understand the time. Fobs, it's serious, bro. The amount of time that chick was giving me shit, every now and again. I'm like, yo, it's that thing you want to pull out and be like, woman, do you want to see receipts? And it's like, and then I just shoot myself in all my hard work. And you gotta sit there quiet, like, I am planning a mission here. They say most beagles is makkelijk. Hey. How's the gym lady thing going?
Both fantastic and horrible at the same time.
Is the emoji that is looking for a girlfriend?
Is him?
Ed, we will do an arranged marriage for you.
KG, I want pictures. I am very picky.
Where they fight with you and give you lip. Little do they know the ring is in the house. Fobs. Too real, my brother.
That's actually funny. That is actually funny. Did you see the guy who like took pictures of the ring and her, but like his back would be turned and like there's a picture or she's asleep.
Oh,
and
she's sleeping. And I saw that, yeah. Cheers, W. So have a good one. Keys, is the board emails fixed? They should be fixed. The last time I checked and heard from the guys, it should be fixed. Ed, is she stronger than you? Is that the problem?
How would that be a problem? I'd be very fine with that. Chad, I'm a large man. You know when the last time I was manhandled was? Basically never. It looks like fun. You know, you get that I'm both excited and scared at the same time feeling. I don't mind that. That's will never get good transcendence.
Ryan, I like that idea. I like that one. Chad, we're in agreement there. It's a mutual beneficial agreement here.
Yeah.
One on golds and USD. Let's go.
It's fun until you scream like a girl. Listen, the only one's gonna hear me scream like a girl is myself and her. It's fine. What happens behind closed doors?
Yeah, the Chad is lava. I now feel Chris's pain.
Oh. Now, Jason, I'm friend zoning her. We're it's just yeah, it's alright there. On to the next one. Is that the reason you wanted to go to Thailand? No, man, those Thailand ladies are tiny. No one's gonna manhandle me there. Even the lady boys.
I was gonna say, bro, they're gonna manhandle you just in a different way, bro. Hey, mine's bigger than yours.
Listen, it's all fun and games till that happens. That is where I draw the line.
Then the real question is, so which one of us is more than
They're like, hey, you know what? This was fun in theory. Now in practice is a bit much. I'm gonna back out.
Hey, just put a heat in your office. Someone was storming it to handle it. Hey, it's time for your bedroom first. Excuse dude. Anti-go printing sells on gold. Ooh, okay, well, look at that now, Chad. What did I come into? Jex, you chose the wrong time to join the conversation, brother. Yeah, Chad, if Ed tells us, guys, I'm taking a week off. I'm going to Thailand.
Going to Thailand. You know what's happening. You know what's happening. There will be no stories told. What happens in Thailand stays in Thailand. I got a friend who moved to Vietnam like 2 weeks ago. He's like scouting things out. We'll both take a trip to Thailand. It'll be a vibe. Yo, US 30 is flying. Hey, profits. Where are we? Oh, that's not too bad. What's my equity at? That's not too bad. We will hold. We will hold.
Hey, be careful of the Eves who are actually Steves, lol.
What do you mean be careful? That's what I'm looking for.
Cheers, lads. Have a good one. Cheers, Cody. Have a good one, brother.
Adios, amigo.
Chad, I don't think we're going to hang around too much longer. It is always fun. I love being with you guys. But obviously, Cribbo is... Whoa. Hold on, Chad. Wait. Am I seeing things here? Wait.
Hey, when Bonang get here?
Bro, that's what I'm just like, wait. What? Where
Bonang
did
get
he...
here?
How did he... Wait.
The man snuck in.
Bro, I don't even have...
Yeah, I was about to tell you that.
When did the man show up?
He owns this.
How did he... There's nothing open, bro.
That's some shit about it.
Speak of the devil and he shall appear.
Wait. Hold on, Chad. You know what it is? Let me just get it off his. I know how he got on. But there's nothing wrong that he's on, Chad. Please, that's not the problem. It's just I saw, like, out of nowhere, I'm like...
Yeah, we weren't expecting
I was
him.
like, wait, what?
Bonanga.
Let me get him on here quickly, Chad. We'll hang out with Bonang a little bit, and then we'll obviously get into everything else. As you say, Chris is out on side quests, and then from my side, obviously, my dad just arrived into PE. Had him obviously come down for the game this weekend, so obviously just want to go spend some time with my pops. But let's see. Let's just hang out a little bit with Bonang since he obviously got you, made the effort to get you. So let me just get him on a little bit. He can also give you guys maybe a bit of an update on the trades he's in.
Always makes me nervous when US 30 is pumping and NAS is dumping. Like NAS is dumping hard.
There's my brother Bonang, yeah.
It was at all-time highs though.
Okay, we're vibing out here today. Thanks to the cracker. The cracker has paid for monetization today. Let's get my brother on here, Chad. Hey, Bonang, can you hear me there, my brother?
Smooth and clean. How are you, sir?
Hey, man's in the building.
Let's get your camera up here. Hey, good to have you, my brother. We were missing you this morning. It's been a party on stream.
Imagine, you are enjoying yourselves.
We enjoy it, bro. TPs are being smacked. We are vibing out here.
I love it. I love it.
Chad, I think, Bonang, if you're ready, my brother, we'll put onto your screen. You can give the guys also a little breakdown on what you're doing.
Give us the magic.
Yeah, everything is ready.
There we go. You live, my brother.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. This is the smoothness that we did in the morning. See how smooth it is? Very, very smooth. Right there. Take profit almost hit, guys. Running smoothly. Nothing to worry about. There. This is a risk-free trade, as you can see, guys. Really, there's no change of mind here. Let's just smash that TP and enjoy ourselves. And then the rest will be open. I mean, if price hit this price here, the rest will be open. If we manage to reach our target, which is 44,657, then that would be smooth. Then as of NASDAQ, remember I spoke about us buying from this zone here. Unfortunately, it did not reach as of yet, but then this here is the key zone. That's a buy entry as well. If you are running buys right now, will be a very, very good idea. Like I said, this is a buying zone. I spoke about this being a buying zone. That means even from that key zone being tapped in there, it means now time to drive all the way up. There's nothing to worry about anymore. I was worried about entering there. I spoke about this part. Now that part has already played out, then we are expecting a bounce back up there, basically. As of gold, gold itself, still that investment trade wants me to continue holding. Nothing much. There are no changes, and there's no change of decision there. Still holding onto my sales, expecting the market to reach 32.20. Basically, that's how I am on these markets today. But I'm very much happy with how it is playing out there on the US 30 trade. I really, really love it. Smooth. Look at that. Just look at that there. That's it, Kicks. Nothing else, sir.
All right, brother. All right. Laka. Trades look like they're doing really well there.
Thank you, ED. Thank you so much.
How's the day going, brother?
So far, so good.
Laka, man. Laka. I am lazy as all hell. Chris took us to lunch earlier. I ate way too much. And now all I want to do is sleep now.
I can imagine, my brother. I feel sorry for you. But you are full.
Suffering from success, my good man. Suffering from success.
Yeah.
I'm meant to go to the gym now, and I'm like, I don't actually want to, eh?
Yeah. You can't gym when you are full like that.
Hey, guy, I am lazy.
Yeah. I see.
Hey, Bonang, are you married?
No, not yet married.
Hey, the chat's putting pressure on us here. They're like Keegan's engaged. I must come up with a thing. I'm gonna put you on pressure now. You two also.
Yeah. For me, even my heart is under pressure. I have to find one.
Hey, it's rough out here, eh?
It's rough.
It's rough out here. I was thinking to myself the other day, man. It's like, listen, there are plenty of. If I wanted just a girlfriend, there's plenty of options. There's plenty of options.
Yeah.
I could get one tomorrow if I wanted. It's the
wife.
I'm trying to find a wife, man.
Wife material is not easy.
Hey, now it's tricky. Now I'm struggling. Now I'm like, hey, you're kind of there, but you're not. And this one, not a chance. And you look at that one, you're like, hey, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It's hard out here.
Think about it. It's not easy.
Chad, this.
It's not easy.
Trying to find a wife thing is not smooth. It's not smooth.
It's by grace. It's by grace.
Fabs,
Somebody's asking.
It's not the fact that I'm a Casanova. It's the fact that PE is playing on easy mode.
Yeah, arranged marriage is the one that can work. The rest die.
But I'm picky.
Our generation doesn't want. For me, arranged marriage will work, guys. I'm open for that. This generation is something else.
Actually, Chad, you know what I am excited for?
Yeah.
When Bonang moves down,
Yeah.
I think me and Chris are gonna go wingman Bonang and Ed. We're gonna go have a boys' night out.
Listen, I'm telling you now, PE is playing on easy mode.
I'm not gonna deny that fact, because I think I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot.
Yeah.
But it is.
PE is playing on easy mode. But we don't even need you here 4 hours. We'll get you something.
Amen.
Will
God is good.
will you like the something we got you long term? I don't know, but we will find you something.
Amen. Hallelujah. Glory be to God.
PE is easy. You just say you're a trader and they swarm.
Nice.
Hey,
Nice.
you come in, you have 4 wheels, you're a trader, you dress nice, you've won.
No slave queens allowed.
And that's what I was saying. There comes the problem. There comes the problem.
Yeah. It's tough. It's tough.
What's the age dynamic of the G's? I think I'm the youngest.
I think so, probably.
Then is it?
It's Chris. How old is Bonang? I don't even know how old
No, I
Bonang
was
is.
going to say, but how old are you, my brother?
I was born in 03, 06.
Did you say 03? Oh, okay.
1996.
Okay.
Yeah, so he's 20.
He's
9.
No, 29, yeah.
So it's me, Bonang,
Me, then
then
Chris.
you, and then Chris.
Yeah. Hey, you gave me a shock when you said 03. I'm like, there's no way. There's no way you are saying 2003. Shit.
All right, Chad. TP smacked. Hey, Cribbo. Absolutely eating there. And I'm going to put it on your screen because I think you're in a very similar trade to Chris.
Pretty much Chris's trade, yeah.
So just so the guys can see, this is the trade there, Chad.
Yeah, I think I got a slightly better entry than he did, but it's pretty much the
Yeah.
trade. Chad, just look at that. Look at how many pips is this?
Monster trade.
How many
there.
pips is this, Chad? How many pips is this? This is
That's a beast trade.
236 pips, Chad. If you're watching these streams and you're unprofitable, I have serious concerns about you. Serious concerns.
It's a problem, my brother.
If muscle enhancements are not allowed in bodybuilding contests, then why is makeup allowed in beauty contests? Oh,
Hey,
good question.
questions. Yo, questions.
Good question. What was the other one? I saw the one where it was like, yeah, if women have a decision that height matters, and all of these things, then why can't men have preferences?
Why can't weight matter?
Yeah.
Kunzima.
Bonang is getting younger every week. Kigo, enjoy your time with your dad. I appreciate it, Andre. Will do, my brother. Gold reverse on my ass. Just a couple pips above my TP.
Hey, shh. Just lock it in, man. Lock it in.
This man is running from the stream now. Don't let him buy another rollie. There was an African country beauty contest that said no fake hair or wigs. Damn. I can tell you now that probably didn't go down well.
I can get behind that, though. I mean, it's African for a reason.
Smooth. This US state is doing me justice.
Hey.
Yo, brother.
Chad, if tomorrow goes as well as today, it's going to be a beautiful week for the boy.
Hey, Chad, you can see all the guys absolutely eat it today. There's Bonang's trade. The team is absolutely smashing it today.
No negotiations here.
We don't play games.
Body shaming us seems okay till we bring up their weight. Yo, that is so true. But Jared, remember, you can't say anything, bro. You can't say weight. You can't say hair color. You can't judge on eye color. You can't judge on if they wear a lot of makeup or anything. Because the minute you say something, you're an arsehole. You're a narcissist.
This is what happens when you think from your feelings.
Hey, there we go. Griffin knows what it's about. No Kululu, no Kulala.
Yeah, boy.
Chad, I promise you, we still having that on the shirts.
See this one? I think I'm just going to break even now and
Bonang?
enjoy myself.
When you get your next car, I think that's an idea for you.
Yes, sir.
The number plates. The one must be Kululu and the other one must be Kalala.
Yes, I wanted to write smooth. No.
Hey,
smooth. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. I like that.
That's the next one. Smooth. Smooth would do.
Hey,
Nice, man.
Tariq, hey, the man.
No, we can actually get 3, because remember, a prophet has to be protected. So there should be a convoy. So
There
3.
should be a convoy.
Now, yeah. Number 1 is going to be no. Number 2 is going to be Kululu. Then the other one Kalala. No Kululu, no Kalala.
Hey.
There we go.
That's how it goes.
There we
It's
go.
possible. It's doable.
Why? Because we can.
Yeah, it's doable.
Kevin, yes, they are working again, my brother. They are working. I'm known at your own on my emails being always smooth. Hey. Drink
US
much
30
to play
paid.
paddle.
You're
Some
still
good moves
paying
there.
the bills.
40% up on my account. The
Woo!
Cracker and Cribbers trade paid well today.
Man.
Enjoy yourself.
So are we getting a dono? Are we getting coffees? What's happening?
You know, that's the thing, Chad. You got two different traders, and that's what I said. This is the dream team that has been built over here. You got Bonang and Cribbo and these guys that are swinging and absolutely hitting monster trades. Where you got the lots that are maybe a little bit smaller. And then you got my side where we're aggressive. We like to be there fast and furious.
90,
can't be-
90 seconds and it's over.
Big lots, 90 seconds. Instead of changing your life
Yeah,
in 90 days, we change your life in 90 seconds.
Smooth.
Funny.
Mate, if she's well done.
The other thing is I passed a $500,000 challenge phase 2.
Hey.
So on Monday I'll be funded 500,000.
Shit.
There we go.
Oh shit.
It's about to go down. Yo, the first withdrawal is going to be $200,000. And
Bonang,
Yes.
my shoe size is a size 12, ne? Double XL,
Yeah.
double XL T-shirt.
Yo,
no
Fred,
problem.
that
Relax.
that is
We're
the
going to
way.
enjoy ourselves.
Funded my girl's XM last week with the 750 Rand on Friday. Today she's up 2K.
Marry her.
Enjoy yourself.
Marry that one. She's an asset.
Chad, that's the way. When they come to you and they'll be like, baby, don't you want to help me? There's this Prada bag I want. Yes. Buy US 30. Stop loss at this area. TP at 80 pips.
We don't give money, we give signal.
There we go.
Oh, I love that.
We are empowering you to do it yourself.
You don't need no man. Strong,
You
independent
must feel-
woman.
You must feel the pain I'm feeling. You know, this thing is not easy.
All you girly pops out there, you guys are independent women.
We got your
my,
back.
my heart pumps very fast every day. It only relaxes on Sunday.
I feel sorry for every broker Bonang deals with. He's at 280 to 2,800. Damn. Keys, what's your thoughts on Trade Nation? I've never heard of them, brother. I mean, like, not even jokes aside, yeah, I genuinely never heard of them. Don B strikes again. I might or might not have given someone that answer when they asked for Hey, Jared. I'm about to do that with my wife. I've planned it out already. You gotta set them up for it. But I'm going to CV occupation prop firm killer. That's it. Chad, unfortunately, as I said, I'm going to call it a little bit short. Obviously, I do want to go spend some time with my dad and my family. So we're going to call it there. Bonang, I do appreciate you coming early, my brother. Even if you just pulled in for a little bit, we always appreciate having you here. Are you going to be around tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm not available as early as 5 a.m. That appointment that called me wants me again there. So
Okay.
I'll be available in the afternoon.
That is perfect, my brother. I'll let Chris know then
Yeah.
for London, and then we'll see you in New York session.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, but then I think, Bonang, any closing remarks from you, my brother?
No, closing remarks is that now, yesterday, if you remember, I spoke about that if we break out here and sustain here, you know what that means? It means us rallying all the way up. So I'm expecting this price to go up and up and up all the way to 45,172. Holding for me would be ideal. Then as of NASDAQ, execution buys right now at current price. Let's see what happens there. A reversal pushing all the way up to 23,027, all the way extension to 23,092. Basically, entering buys there is more safer than entering anywhere. So currently, this is how I am on these markets. Nevertheless, thank you so much. Don't forget, we don't give out money, we give out signals. Bye.
There we go. Okay, Edski, closing remarks from you, my brother.
Chad, it's Thursday, late afternoon. Moves have happened. You might want to catch Bonang's little trade there. Else, take the profits you've made today. Have a good afternoon, and we attack Friday. Friday's nog een dag.
There we go. Chad, nothing really from my side. We're going to go full screen. As always, we love having you guys here. We are taking this community to the next level. We started off a little bit late. We had to come in super hot, but you know what? It made us that we made sure we brought the energy today. Actually, really enjoyed today's stream with you guys. Edski, thanks for pulling in. Bonang, thank you for joining as always, brother.
Salute.
Chad,
Yes.
we're going to see you guys tomorrow. Same place, same time. Again, don't be DJs. Do not go giving back those profits. Enjoy yourself. Take it easy. Go be with the family and the loved ones. Go journal those trades if you need to. And Chad, as always, we're going to see you guys same place, same time. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers. Thank you.
I don't wanna lose my mind. I don't wanna lose myself. Tell me if I crossed the line. I ain't tryna hurt myself. Didn't wanna call your name. Only got myself to blame. Oh yeah. In my world, in my mind, always running out of time. In my love, in my heart, you're the only kryptonite. But I wait for you, still I wait for you. You're a failure, so good I might just lose my mind. No question if it's wrong or right. Ain't nowhere to tell which way it's gonna go. Yeah, but failure, so good I might just lose my mind. No question if it's wrong or right. And no, it's too late, no way to take it slow.
Yeah. Bounce back when bottles is on me. I'm pushing a new pen, rewriting the story. Hello to my old ways, goodbye to the nosebleeds. You fighting to stay here, you probably the OD. Ain't finna pop for no reason. I don't throw shots, I run legions. I've been going over the top with no queen, been die with no regrets. This is my season, it's the bow trigger. Gift that keep giving, nothing to wrap up. I ripped a new ribbon, they wanted to catch up. Wanted my good riddance, you saw me a rock bottom. You wanted a new winner, I paid the way for 'em. Take the pain, double it, put it in wait form. Safe to say, trouble ain't what you was made for. Keeping a ring on, I told them all game on the minute I came on.